I had pain in my right knee, and at that time I did what's called a procedure called microfracture surgery, which is a normal procedure where you infuse blood in there to create a cartilage-like feel in your knee, and that was in my right knee. Then in 2010, I had pain in my left knee, and at that time is when Dr. Michelsen told me about the new procedure called Carticel.
ACI is basically stands for, it's an acronym for autologous, which means from the same patient, chondrocyte implantation. And it's a procedure that's done for cartilage damage in the knee. So essentially, the surgery is a two-stage procedure. The initial surgery is where the knee is scoped and any other abnormalities within the knee are taken care of. The second surgery is a more extensive surgery involving what we call an arthrotomy, complete opening of the joint. The cells are implanted at that time, and then the patient goes through a little bit more extensive recovery. That recovery starts off slow, sometimes using crutches and braces and not bearing weight on their leg, to about 8 weeks where they're without brace, walking on it. But those cells take time to mature, and that maturation occurs over the course of about a year.
In May of 2011, we went in and took out cells so we could grow the cartilage, and then we had the full surgery in December to sew in the grown cartilage and go from there. Within 3 months, I was back at the gym on a pretty regular basis, and then within 6 months, I was doing even more strenuous exercise. And then now, 10 months later, I'm actually jogging on a treadmill.
It has been all but to hold back the reins on him. He's back up, he's running, he's jogging, saying that his knee feels better than it has in a very long time. He's had an excellent outcome.
It's funny, you know, when you first have the surgery, all you think is about that knee. You feel it in everything you do in every walk of life right after the surgery. But then, of course, today, I don't even think about the knee now. And that's probably the best endorsement of all. Dr. Michelsen is a really good doctor. Thank you, Dr. Michelsen, for giving me my legs back, so to speak.